this is my phonics class. Today our sound is B. It's not B, it's not B. Some people say B, they say at the end, B. That's not right. A short, just say it short, like this, B. When I do this, say B. Ready? Okay then, let's go. Again. One more time. Now, I've got some things with B, but you have to think too. We're going to have some thinking time now. And it's starting now. Things with B in it, like bananas, bird, birdie ball, bird, ball, birdie ball. I'm going to find some more things.